Hello. And we're back. Welcome everybody to our channel. I'm Josh.
And I'm Ruben.
We are part of LootFam, a small family that likes to make money in strange ways sometimes. And today we are actually going to be trying to do one of those strange ways, and that is we just bought a 75-pound bag of like t-shirts from a local thrift store, and we're gonna see if we can find any vintage t-shirts that are worth any money that we can sell later online. So, without further ado, let's get into it. All right.
I'm gonna have to go
So, I'm not even gonna bother trying to untie the knot.
Okay.
All right, so just start pulling t-shirts out and seeing if they're interesting. And then you can just toss them right behind us. Nothing.
No.
It's kind of, it's not old, is it?
No, it doesn't look old.
No, it's not old.
Ooh, this is cool.
It's a Bass Pro Shop tee.
Ooh.
We live near a Bass Pro Shop. In fact, we live near the...
Oh, this could fit me.
Yes, it could. We live near the original Bass Pro. And by near, I mean like 2 hours. So we get a lot of Bass Pro tees out here. And so far, nothing. Last time we did this, we got some really nice t-shirts right off the bat.
Say, look old. Okay.
It's a Gap tee. That's weird. I don't know. It's not that old. It is old. Older. Uh-oh, what is this? It's an Adidas tee. Okay. We do have a...
Oh, that looks weird.
Oh, that is... it looks like a... It looks like a Fallout.
Oh, it's fall.
I think this is a vintage tee. This is a vintage tee right here. So we got a vintage Adidas tee. Like basketball, playground legends. Anyway, cool. We got one. What is that?
Acrylic skin cap something.
Yeah, Powder Mountain.
Powder sugar mountain
What is that? It looks like it might be old.
tea. Oh, night.
Oh yeah.
Night
That is actually not old then. It's not old.
What is? Oh, what?
What do you got there?
It is a. What is it?
Oh, it's a Life is Good. Yeah, that's nothing old. Oh, this is kind of cool. It's not.
Superman.
Actually.
Superman.
All right, so check this out. This is the Blues Brothers, and it is on a vintage tee.
Whoa.
Okay, yeah, this is the vintage Blues Brothers tee. I believe that's the Blues Brothers from the SNL skit. I believe. Wow, that's actually really dope. The one I got is dope. That one's not. Okay, great. We're doing good, Ruben. Remember to check for the single stitch in the sleeve. So we have opened these. Double stitch. So we have opened several of these in the past. It's kind of one of our little things. And
It's cool, bear.
And we actually have made money doing this already. In fact, we've sold, I think, probably somewhere between nice 5 and 6 vintage t-shirts that we have pulled straight out of one of these bags. So it's kind of California. Is that old? Hold on. No, see, if it's printed like that, it's not gonna be old. So I can't imagine this is terribly lucrative, but at this point, it has paid for itself. More Bass Pro tees. And I'm kind of excited about that vintage Blues Brothers shirt. That's pretty wild. Okay. All right. So check that out. So this is totally a This is made in USA vintage tee, but it's like TJF, thank God it's forever. This Christian, like, Jesus tees are hot, and like in demand, and that is sick.
That's good.
Bear Dan, stay funny. No. I don't think so. So, wow, so we've hit 3 vintage tees. At least 2 of them are really good. Wait, what do we got here? Tire Pros. Okay, yeah, it's just a business.
It's
Tie-dye shirt. So far, this is one of the best bags that we have had ever, maybe, that we've ever opened here on the channel.
Oh, it's basketball. Well, look at all
Yeah,
the
it's like
stuff
these are some high school tees. And I say it all the time, but the reason I love these types of bags is that I know that, you know, it's not been picked through by other vintage heads that are looking for vintage tees. Car choice, yeah. So I know that it's, you know, probably some old lady put all this stuff in here and wasn't looking to scoop out the to scoop out all the good vintage tees, like a lot of mystery boxes and bags. Oh, look at all these puppies.
This is a black shirt.
Yeah, it's just black or blue.
Black and blue. Oh, this is kind of cool.
I'm gonna check the stitching.
What does it need to be good?
1 stitch.
Oh.
Cause,
Black River.
hump day. You want that shirt?
Yeah.
With a camel on it.
Humpty Dumpty. Ooh.
Yeah, it looks like another
It's
Bass
all
Pro Shop
black.
tee.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, a lot of like Bass Pro Shop, a lot of Duck Dynasty and these things. I don't know. It's not a vintage tee.
Dressy shirt.
Yeah, I'm excited about that Blues Brothers
This
shirt.
is boring.
Yeah, read it. See what's up. Feeling lucky.
This is. Oh, the golf. Tim.
Oh, we got a vintage tee. So we got the we got the Screen Stars Best tag, and what do we have on it? City of Los Angeles Household Hazardous Waste Program. I'm gonna keep that because it's just weird enough. Cool.
All sorts of labels on the back.
Yeah, it looks like it's from a golf tournament. Yeah. All right, so we're hitting pretty good. We got Justice League. This is not a vintage tee, or at least it is vintage. If it is vintage, it's not that vintage. It's just from Six Flags.
Wait.
Oh, that's the same one. So it's 2 of them. So that's the same one we just pulled out. It is a vintage tee though. Good job.
What if it was the one that's not vintage? It's pretty cool, but it's not vintage.
Not vintage. All right, let's see what else we got here. What is this? Oh yeah, Route 66. We also live really close to the original Route 66 that went through southern Missouri, so we get a lot of that merchandise that gets dropped off over here. Now, Ruben said he was hoping to find a Michael Jordan tee.
Yeah.
That would be pretty amazing. Probably unlikely.
Oh, it's like not going like this.
Oh yeah, it's like yeah, that's right, he was. It's huge though.
Yeah,
It's big, way bigger than he is. Yeah, a Michael Jordan tee would be great.
super great.
More tie-dye.
Okay.
Eureka Springs, Arkansas.
This is a vintage.
It's Harvard. You're right. You're right. This is vintage, single stitch, Harvard all over print kind of thing. Yeah.
Whoa.
Good find.
Cool.
Oh, and guess what?
It's vintage.
It's vintage. Yeah, look at that shirt. That is dope. Single stitch. Way to go. Woo! All right, we got a fat stack of pretty cool vintage tees. I mean, some of these things I would have pulled off the rack. For sure. And the thrift store, that's vintage as well.
Oh.
Yeah, let's see what it is. A lot of vintage here. It says Club Mud, Glen Ivy Hot Springs, Corona, California.
Coronavirus.
We'll keep it. Okay. So somebody from California looks like they moved to Arkansas and dropped off all of their stuff.
Oh, this is a...
Maybe they dropped off a Lakers tee.
And...
Mountain Home Bombers.
Oh,
We have... This is... vintage, I think. Technically.
Oh, what? This is what I pulled. This
Yeah,
is what I got.
a lot of times there's doubles because people have t-shirts left over from different events. Hold on. Alright, got a... Alright, we're getting down to the bottom. Running out of cool stuff.
This
But
is vintage. Yeah, this is vintage.
Oh yeah?
It's vintage.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's vintage.
No, see, it's
What?
printed.
Oh.
That's the printed thing on it. If it's printed, it's not gonna be damaged.
But there's one stitch.
Oh, well. Yeah,
Dad.
that's true. What?
Dad.
Is that for me? World's coolest dad. Alright. Alright, I think there's enough. Oh, no, there's a few more.
Wait.
Whoa, oh.
Whoa,
That's kind of cool. Look at that. It's actually really dope. It's not vintage, but it's still super cool.
Oh, it's double stitch.
Gosh, I kind of just want to keep it because it's so interesting. Alright, so the last one.
Wait. No, what? Oh, there's no more.
There's no more? Yeah, there is.
Oh. What is it?
Okay, you have one. I have one.
Oh, this is definitely, that's Malachi size.
Oh, we do have a vintage tee. Dive. It says dive. It's like embroidered weird and or at least faded. But that's a dope vintage tee with like a dolphin on it. Sick. So that's another one. All right, so I actually think there's probably at least $100 worth of vintage tees right there, and we paid $10 for this bag. So I'd say 10 into 100 is not bad at all. I will do that every day. I wish I could do that every day. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. It was fun opening this with you. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.